What's up, you guys? It's Nohane here, and today I'm gonna do a Lady Gaga makeup tutorial inspired on the new music Rain on Me. I love Lady Gaga and Ariana on that clip. They are amazing, looking on point, super cute, and I decided to do the makeup that I like the most, which is the one with like the white eyeshadow slash eyeliner situation. So cute. I already did my base, like foundation, concealer, and powder, and brows, and I did my hair in this ponytail, and I sprayed some hair paint. She's with like extensions and stuff, which I'm not, but it's fine. I'm just so happy to be here with you guys, and I hope you guys like this. I went today and got some eyeshadow base in white and this jumbo eye pencil in white because I had no eyeliner in white, and I have some eyeshadows. They are pure white, and I'm gonna use this, and hopefully it's going to turn out good. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to the channel. I'm super excited to bring more content for you guys, and I want this family to grow and grow and grow and grow. Okay, I'm gonna zoom you guys a little bit. I'm gonna go straight to the eyeshadow base. This is by NYX. The color is white. Is this one. I'm going to use with this little brush by Lavish. It's the brow groomer. Actually, it comes with like this side and this side. I'm so scared of this. Lady Gaga is using a white winged thing. Like, it's like an eyeshadow and then a black eyeliner with lashes, and I'm going to try with you guys to do the same. So I put on my brush. I'm going to start here. Okay, it's very white, just like I want it, because I had nothing like this. I only had like a pencil in white. I tried to find a liquid eyeliner in white, but I couldn't, so I'm using this. It's very creamy because it's a base, so it's not supposed to be this strong, but we're gonna make it work. Oh my god. I'm gonna try to put some white eyeshadow on top of this and hopefully make this a little more even. I feel like the purest white I have is in this BoxyCharm Halo Charmer palette. This color right here is matte and is the closest I could find to the white I'm looking for. So I'm gonna put in a little brush and start tapping this. White is actually so hard to work with because you see, when it's matte, it kind of loses the pigmentation. But it's okay. It's going to be a process, I know. We're gonna make it. This is so cakey. Oh my, it's looking so bad. What if I try just with this? Yeah, I should try just with this. This is honestly so much better. To kind of smudge it so it is well blended, and then I'm going to use a Q-tip to make it like perfect. But this side is more white. I'm confused. I'm very confused. This is already 100 times better. I kind of want to remove this one. Yeah, I need to. I don't usually use makeup wipes to remove makeup because I'm against them, but I got some for like to test and I like them, so I kept them for this situations. And also when I'm traveling, it's easier to do this, but no one is traveling now.
5 minutes later.
I'm back. So now I have a Q-tip. I put some micellar water on it. I honestly prefer it like this, but she's using something like this, so this is what we are going for. I feel like the more I'm doing, the worse it's getting, and I don't like this. I'm regretting my decisions. Yeah. I'm going to continue, otherwise I'll just stay 1,000 years here. For eyeliner, I'm going to use this by Hank and Herring. I really like this. And I'm gonna do like a wing. Not really dramatic, but not so little. Like here. I feel like I'm holding my breath during this whole thing. I'm such a perfectionist, so when this kind of things happen, I'm always like, this is my first time trying this. This is my first time doing something with these products. Like, I just got this eyeliner, I just got all of this, like the white stuff. I'm gonna use this concealer. This is the Conceal Cover Correct Crayon in the color Biscuit. It is a little darker than my other concealer that I used before, but I feel like this is the best for touch-ups like this. So this is what I'm going for. I will curl my lashes and put on some mascara. Then I'm going to finish my skin with you guys and put on some false lashes, because she's definitely wearing something to give her more volume, and we are going to do that. I think Lady Gaga and Ariana both were so pretty. Like, they were so beautiful in this video. So cute. The music is growing on me, to be honest, but I just love to see Ariana dancing like Lady Gaga, and also the cool Ariana style with Lady Gaga style. Lady Gaga is using more like a pinky blush, not really a contour. So for blush, I'm going to use this. It's called Marble Light and Dusk by Ciate London. I'm going to concentrate this more in the outer part, like where I would put a bronzer, you know, because that's what she's doing, so you're doing too. I'm going to quickly contour my nose out of camera, because I know this is not part of her routine, but it's part of mine. I need it. I'm just gently pressing the fake eyelashes on my real eyelashes. The mascara I used is the Maybelline. With this same little brush that I use for the white eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this palette by Tarte. It's the Rainforest of the Sea in a little white eyeshadow. I'm going to highlight some points of my face. This is shimmery. So Lady Gaga is not using much of a highlighter, but she's definitely using some, so I'm gonna use this that is a little more subtle. And for lips, they both are using a very similar nude. I have a couple that I'm going to use, and they overline and put a lip gloss on it. So 90s, so cute. I'm gonna use this Thrive lip liner, khaki. It's kind of more like brownish than actually nude. to overline my lips. So first I'm gonna use Melted Matte by Too Faced. This color is Cool Girl. I'm gonna tap it a little. And the center of my lips, I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in Pure Hollywood. It's a little lighter. You see, just in the center. I'm gonna tap it. On top of it, I'm gonna use my iconic London lip gloss in Love Struck. This gives a little pump to your lips. It has like a minty scent. It's the perfect nude for this combo. Should have put mascara under? I think so. I'm gonna use some of the white jumbo to open my eye. Like very little, gently. Just a little bit. So this is the final makeup. I really hope you guys like it. It was like a challenge for me. I never really worked with white and I couldn't find the liquid, like the white liquid eyeliner, and I really want to do this today. So that's what I use. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys try to do this makeup too. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, please, and share this video with a friend that is a big fan of Lady Gaga or makeup in general. I thought it was so much fun to do, and yes, it was challenging, but this is what makeup is for me. I really like to mix it up and try some stuff. I hope you guys are staying safe and at home, and I see you in my next video. Bye.